In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix your microphone not working on Discord. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. It can be very frustrating when your mic doesn't work, especially because no one can hear you. It definitely ruins the conversation. Let's go over a few easy things you can do to get it working again. First, go ahead and check to see if you're muted. Look in the bottom left corner of Discord. If it says unmute here, go ahead and click it. It now should say unmute. And that means that you are muted. So that could be one issue on why no one can hear you. Now, if that obviously isn't the case, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this little gear icon to open up your user settings in the bottom left, and then scroll down to app settings and find voice and video. Make sure your input device is selected to the right microphone. You may also want to increase the input volume right here. It might be all the way down. I usually just keep it at 100% and just adjust my gain volume on my mic accordingly. Now what you can do is actually scroll down a little bit and test your mic. You can just do this by tapping let's check just like so. And as you can see, if this moves right here, your mic is actually being picked up. Now you can also check for a physical mute button. Some mics or headsets actually do have a mute switch or button. Just double check to see if it's not muted there. And you can also set the input mode to voice activity. Now, what exactly do I mean by that? It might be on push to talk for you. You're going to want to go ahead and change that so you don't have to push a key in order for it to detect your mic. Now, there's also some other stuff as well that you might want to go ahead and change. First, I would definitely adjust the noise suppression to none. You could also try disabling advanced voice activity if that does not work still to see if this will help. But if nothing else is working, go ahead and scroll all the way back up to the very top and just fully reset your voice settings. This is going to be under that debugging setting right here. You're just going to want to go ahead and click on this button right here. When you click on this, it's going to ask for confirmation right here. Hit OK, and it's going to restart Discord. When it opens again, go back to these same settings and go ahead and adjust your settings accordingly. Hopefully one of these fixes helps solve your issue and your mic is now working. If it did help, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Have a great day.